you're gonna learn how to manifest the hell out of your life. Learn how to live your dream life by this video. Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Neha and I'm here to share everything about my manifestation journey, and I know that you are manifesting some or the other thing in your life. That's why you're here. So without any further ado, let's start. I wanted to mention कि जो भी चीज़ें मैं इस वीडियो में mention करने वाली हूँ, they're all my achievements and I'm not trying to glorify any of it, because literally I don't want to jinx this right now, but I am with my partner and I've manifested him. Not now, not 5 years back. I've manifested him around 10 to 15 years back when I was very young. So yeah, this is like what I have in my life and what all I have manifested. Also, this is a manifestation video, so I literally did not wear anything intentionally white, but you know, this is my room and this everything is coming together, so I feel like this video is actually coming together all in all. So let's get started. So first things first, what is manifestation? According to me, manifestation happens only when you think positive or negative. So just understand this, every negative thing that has happened to you, you've already manifested in your mind. कभी ना कभी आपने ये सोचा होगा कि ये चीज़ तो गलत है, कहीं मेरे साथ ना हो जाए. Bro, your frequency at that time is so strong that you're literally manifesting that. That's manifestation of negative things. Now, manifestation of a good thing. You know, you think that काश कि मेरा friend होता. After a few weeks, after a few months, that literal person is your friend. You're hanging out with that person. Or maybe you're in a relationship with that person, because you're manifesting it. So everything that is existing in the world is manifestation. And I'm gonna tell you exactly how I manifested my Maybelline collaboration. Now see, for this you have to make sure कि you are the most childish person ever and you are manifesting things which are out of your league, because sometimes you never know that this can actually come true. So this happened back in 2019 when I bought this one mascara from Maybelline and उसके साथ मुझे मिला ये. So this is the Lizard बॉक्स, जिसको जो मैंने इसके लिए पे भी शायद नहीं किया था, बट ये एज अ फ्री गिफ्ट आया था. एंड आई वॉज नॉट इवन क्रिएटिंग वीडियोज बैक इन 2019. आई वॉज जस्ट इन कॉलेज एंड उस टाइम पे कोविड भी नहीं था. बट आई डोंट नो वाई माई सबकॉन्शियस ब्रेन टोल्ड मी टू जस्ट से इट आउट लाउड कि मुझे मेबलिन ने भेजा है, ये मुझे ब्रांड से मिला है, मैंने ब्रांड के साथ काम किया है. एंड आई सेड इट आउट लाउड एंड उसके बाद मैं भूल गई उसको, मैं कहीं तो रख के भूल गई हूँ. जस्ट इमेजिन मैंने उसको कितना उस टाइम पे संभाल के रखा था, दैट आई एम सिटिंग हियर इन 2026 एंड ये 2019 की चीज़ मेरे पास रखी है. कैसे? बिकॉज आई लिटरली मैनिफेस्टेड. और उस टाइम पे मेरे दिमाग में ये नहीं था कि कैसे होगा, कैसे मुझे ब्रांड भेजेगा. मैं तो वीडियो भी नहीं बना रही हूँ. आई जस्ट सेड कि ब्रांड ने मुझे भेजा है. नाउ सी हाउ आई मैनिफेस्ट. ओके, अब मैं वो बोल के भूल गई. 2020 आया, कोविड. I was like using that Maybelline mascara that time also. 2021 में out of nowhere I got this thought, you know what, let me create a YouTube channel, let me post videos, because at that time everyone was basically an influencer and I started creating content. You know what, even though now ऐसा कुछ बहुत सारा मेरा subscriber base नहीं है, but I have decent like 5k 6k subscribers. So I was like, let's create videos and let's post something on YouTube, and I started posting. Now this is 2026 January, okay, and by this time also I don't have a lot of followers. If you check, I have like 5k, some 5.5k something subscribers. Okay, my goal is to reach 10k at least by the end of this year. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but you know what, I'm gonna do it anyways. So that's what I have the goal. Now this is 2026 January, जब मुझे एकदम से ना एक एजेंसी से मेल आता है दैट वी आर हियर फॉर मेबलिन का न्यू लॉन्च सीरम लिपस्टिक का कोलैबोरेशन. एंड आई वाज लाइक, मेबलिन, दिस इज नॉट गोना हैपन. एंड मैंने छोड़ दिया. फिर मुझे अगले दिन फिर मेल आता है एंड आई फिल द फॉर्म. आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड and I received the 2 lipsticks. ये lipstick आया है for collaboration. I created the video, I submitted the video and everything, right? मैं इस चीज़ के बारे में at this moment भूल गई हूँ. मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि ये चीज़ है. This is like January 2026 and मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि ये चीज़ मेरे पास है. And मार्च 2026 में जब मैं इस चीज़ को साफ कर रही थी, अपना पूरा कबर्ड, आई वॉज decluttering फॉर माई बर्थडे, आई सी दिस एंड द थॉट इन माई माइंड क्लिक्ड कि अरे यार, ये तो मुझे उस टाइम पे मैंने बोला था कि मैं मेबलिन के साथ कोलैब करूंगी, मेबलिन ने मुझे भेजा है, एंड आई legit have collaborated with Maybelline. I was like, bro, I have done it. I have manifested it. So this is how I manifested my Maybelline collab. See, you know what, how this happened? क्योंकि जब मैंने ये चीज़ बोली थी उस टाइम पे I was seeing unicorns and clouds. मेरे दिमाग में ये नहीं था कि यूनिकॉर्न सच नहीं होते, मेरे दिमाग में ये था कि मैंने यूनिकॉर्न देखा है. सो मैं प्रोसेस के बारे में नहीं सोच रही थी, मैंने जो रिजल्ट मेरे पास आ चुका था उसके बारे में मैं सोच रही थी एट दैट टाइम. एंड आई वाज लाइक, मेबलिन ने मुझे भेजा है. एंड 2026 में आई लेजिट कोलैबोरेटेड विद मेबलिन विदाउट नोइंग द प्रोसेस. मुझे नहीं पता था कि मैं मेबलिन के साथ कोलैब करूंगी. सो दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ माई मेबलिन कोलैब. अब मैं बताती हूँ कैसे मुझे जूक का कोलैब मिला. इट्स वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट क्योंकि सबसे पहला जो मुझे PR आया था मुझे जूक के तरफ से आया था. ओके, so back in 2020, 2021, you know, all those videos, what's in my bag was very famous, and I was like, मैं भी अपना बैग दिखाऊंगी और मैं बोलूँगी कि this is all that I carry in my bag. And in my mind I was imagining the scenario कि मेरे सामने कैमरा रखा हुआ है and I'm doing what's in my bag. उसके बाद मैं भूल गई कि ऐसा भी मैंने कुछ किया हुआ है अपनी लाइफ में. But you know what? In 2023, Zook reached out to me and they were like, we are sending you this bag, your profile is selected for this particular collaboration with Zook and you have to make a what's in your bag video. Again, this is clicking right now कि मैंने उस टाइम पे what's in my bag, in my head I was thinking कि ये चीज़ तो मैं कर रही हूँ in front of camera and I had to do it with the brand. So this is what the manifestation is for me. This is what I have manifested. ऐसे बहुत छोटे छोटे और भी एग्जाम्पल है जो मैं मैनिफेस्ट करती हूँ एंड इट जस्ट हैपन्स. ओके, want you can tag it as delulu, but yes, delusional has actually worked for me manifesting. Okay, so last year IGNOU was hosting a convocation and I completed my master's degree from IGNOU. Okay, and IGNOU का ये वाला सीन है कि उनके इतने सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं that not everyone is lucky enough to attend the convocation thing. Okay, I fill the form and in my head I am imagining already cape and that hat and I'm receiving the degree and मैं भूल गई उस टाइम पे. This is when this is in December. Okay, हो गया कि मैं तो रिसीव कर रही हूँ वो डिग्री. And guess what, 5th March was supposed to be the convocation. I receive a mail on 26th of February that you have been selected to get the degree on stage. You have to be physically present. And I was like, oh, मैंने अपने दिमाग में सोचा and वो चीज़ हो गया. I was like freaking happy कि ये चीज़ ऐसे मैं manifest करती हूँ. So this is like another example and I don't want to sugarcoat things. ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जैसे मैंने वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में बताया था how I manifested my partner. So don't jinx it and don't do any nazar right now, but I'm with my partner since 12 years and it has been a lot of hardships between both of us, but we are still holding up together and in future also we'll be holding up together, touch wood. So this is what the power of manifestation is in my life, and everything that I've manifested has happened out of my delusion, out declaration that you know this thing has happened, and out of my imagination. And when I imagine that particular thing कि ऐसा हुआ है, I am there and I am doing it. That's how I manifest. Now you all must be thinking कि बहुत सारी negative चीज़ें भी तो manifest होती होगी, right? Yes, I do manifest a lot of things negative as well. In my life, I never, after understanding the mechanism of manifestation and I literally attract things towards me, I never manifest anything which is not meant for me. Now, again, another example of manifestation and how it happened. I was struggling with a lot of weight issues last year and I was manifesting कि मैं gym में regular होंगी, and it's like the end of May. Today is the last day of May and I have been consistent in gym for the past 4 months. So these are the very simple small examples of manifestation that has happened in my life, and a lot of things, not kidding you guys. I have lots of stories of manifesting small things and how I manifested that. I'll share it with you. Okay, now first things first, you have to be very clear in your mind. So let's take the example of me telling Maybelline ने मुझे भेजा है. That was very clear कि Maybelline ने मुझे भेजा है. Okay, so it just happened. You have to be very clear, and whatever you're putting out on universe, make sure that you mean it. Believe that whatever you're putting out in the universe is already ready to you. Like universe लेके खड़ा है आपको देने के लिए कि ले बेटा, तूने बोला है ये चीज़ तुझे मिलेगा. That's the belief you should have when you just say something. Like I said, Maybelline ने मुझे भेजा है. That means universe are like, जब टाइम आएगा तब तुझे मिल जाएगा. Now, again, when people think that, oh, I'm manifesting this, you have to be very mindful about this thing as well, that if I were not an influencer and myself कि Maybelline ने मुझे भेजा है, कभी ये चीज़ नहीं होता. I am working in that path so that वो चीज़ आए मेरे पास, right? So if I say something, I have to also work for it. You can't sit and you can't manifest. You have to work hard. तो अगर मैं बोलूँ कि मैं एग्ज़ाम में पास हो गई हूँ, और मैंने बिल्कुल पढ़ाई नहीं की है, यूनिवर्स विल लाइक, क्या तू तो मेहनत ही नहीं कर रहा है, मैं क्यों दूँ तुझे ये चीज़, राइट? सो इफ़ यू मैनिफेस्ट समथिंग, नंबर 1, बी क्लियर. नंबर 2, imagine it's already done. And number 3, you have to make sure that you work for it, because nothing comes without the hard work. You have to work towards. My innocent mind and heart just wanted that, and I believed in it, right now I know कि कितना कुछ होता है, and what if भी मेरे दिमाग में आता है कि एक चीज़ वो आ जाती है, अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो, अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो, अगर ऐसा हो गया वैसा हो गया. Because now I'm pretty much exposed in the world. I know how this work, how everything is coming together and how everything is working, and there are a lot of negatives as well. But you know what I do? I make sure that I'm standing strong with the belief. So you have to make sure that आप कुछ भी सोच रहे हो, be the child and just make sure that you are thinking कि I'm seeing rainbows and unicorns. I'm gonna do it. Don't think how. You just need to work, and universe will give it. तो process, you know that you are walking on this path. कभी ना कभी होगा, but don't be desperate. You talk about it and just forget. I talk about things and I forget. मैं अगर सोचती रह जाऊँगी ना तो मैं इतना डिप्रेस्ड हो जाऊँगी कि ये हो क्यों नहीं रहा है. So what I did is I made sure to say something positive and I forgot about it. Unconscious brain actually responds very well in the manifestation prompt. Now people often say that you need to write it on a journal, you need to put it out in the universe. Trust me, when I'm writing things, like it's very tedious. So you need to understand what works for you. So for me, I think Delulu is my Sululu. So I'll just imagine things in my brain and I'll get it. That's the manifestation. That's the power of it. And also be humble at whatever you have achieved, whatever you have received. That's the power of manifestation. And that's all about my manifestation story. And if you guys can relate to me, please subscribe and like this video and tell me what else would you like to know that I have manifested, because literally I've manifested my partner. So I would love to share that story with you, but only if I receive some response on this video. And also I'm gonna close this video with one quote that you're gonna understand is, everything in this world is created twice. First in your mind, and second it's in reality. So what are you waiting for? Start thinking positive and attract positive things. And with that, see you in my next video. Till then, bye.